If you are an influencer, a content creator, synthetic leaves, those little things that you put in your pictures when you're advertising them, expand your reach, expand your clientele. Hey guys, welcome back to another sit down video. Today we're going to be finding out if it is actually possible to start a business with $100. Yes, it is. Let me tell you why. Here in Nigeria, $100 is about 73,000 naira. So technically, can you start a business with 73,000 naira in Nigeria? Yes, you can. Can you start a business with $100 abroad? Yes, you can. I'm here to give you 3 solid businesses that can work and you can make money from with $100. The very first type of business we can start with the $100 is rental props. Now, what do I mean by this? Now, if you are an influencer, a content creator, or if you are just basically in the videography or photography industry, you will know what props are. These are the things that you add to pictures to bring out that pizzazz when you're taking them. There's actually an industry where people are selling props for pictures. If you're having a baby's newborn pictures, or you're having a 1-year-old pictures, or 2-year-old or 10-year-old, if you're even trying to promote your brand or your products and you need things in your pictures to make it look nice, these are the things that you buy. There are various things you can use. So if you are trying to get props for a newborn's pictures, there are things like those little hat mittens that you buy. There are those wooden boxes. Some people actually buy them, some people make them, it depends. There are those fluffy clouds. There are the prop paper, the background, the backdrops, the little disco balls. I know for a jewelry company that I think I tried patronizing once, they had the stand that where you hang like the earrings and the bracelets. That stand is a prop. So you can get these things from either AliExpress if you're here in Nigeria, or you can get them from Amazon. It's that simple. I think they go on AliExpress for about $2 to $3. If you buy maybe 1 or 2 of those, you're buying like the backdrops, you're buying the disco balls, you're buying the leaves. Oh my god, I don't know, I forgot the leaves. So those synthetic leaves, those little things that you put in your pictures when you're advertising them, those are all props, and you can buy these from AliExpress. They're relatively cheap. At least you should be able to get them for about 25,000 naira to 50,000 naira, and then selling them for a profit. So if you're buying one of them for like $1, $2, you can sell them for about $5, $10 here in Lagos. I've seen several businesses that do this on social media, and I think it's an amazing business to go into, especially if you're one person that's in the photography, videography industry, or if you even have a social media page. You can actually just do sponsored ads showcasing the type of props that you have, and people buy them. Now, another business I think falls within that $100 limits is a laundry or a cleaning business. Now, let me tell you why. If you haven't watched my How to Start a Laundry Business, I'm gonna link it up here so you have a bit of details about what actually goes into starting one. Basically, if you're starting a laundry business, you don't have to get like a machine, a major like metallic machine kind of thing, the stationary one. You can get the portable ones. I think I saw a couple of them on AliExpress, and they go from about $50, I think $45 to $50 to $70. There are even these like foldable ones I've seen on TikTok a couple of times, and I think here in Nigeria people use that for like washing of underwear and stuff. But they're like relatively cheap washing machines that you can use and start right away. It is stressful. Let me not lie to you. It's very stressful using those little washing machines, especially when you have like a chunk of clothes to wash. If you really want to go into the laundry industry, you can start there. It's as cheap as anything. And then buying detergents and buying fabric softener, all of that good stuff, and then probably ironing, and then making sure that everything is pressed and ready to give back to their owner. How you can also start a cleaning business. Everybody in Nigeria knows how dusty it is. It's stressful. Getting decent staff to clean your homes can be stressful at times, especially when it comes to cleaning furniture. Now, I have used someone's service before. I don't know how I always keep coming up with the services from the people that I've patronized, but it's a very smart business. I know someone like me, I find it very hard cleaning my furniture, especially like my couches. So I'd like to outsource that to like a professional company whose major focus is to clean furniture, homes. If you're someone that has expertise in cleaning, especially cleaning furniture like couches, rugs, sofas, mattresses, all that stuff, curtains, you can start with like a handheld vacuum machine, and you can get those if you are fortunate enough in like a thrift store or a thrift market. We do have this like importation thrift thing at the ports here in Apapa, where people that want to offload their containers usually pack fairly used equipment such as straighteners, vacuum cleaners, dryers. They bring all these things in and they really don't want to sell them, but they want to sell them cheap at the ports, so that people that actually buy them from the Apapa ports and then sell them for a reasonable cost. You can decide to buy from the retailers that are selling them on social media, or actually go to the ports and then buy them for a very cheap price and then use them for your cleaning business. You don't even have to do like a major cleaning business. You can start off with friends and family, and then from there use referrals, word of mouth, expand your reach, expand your clientele, and then grow your following on social media. But you don't have to majorly start with like huge machines, huge suction and vacuum machines. No, you can start with the handheld ones and then scale your business from there. That's just another way for you to start a business using $100. Now, the third and last business you can start with $100 is a wig making business or a wig laundry business. What does this mean? These are basically people that help you make your wigs, right? If you have bundles of hair, or you've had hair in the past that you want to turn into a wig, these are the type of people you can patronize. As an entrepreneur that wants to go into this kind of business, it's a very essential business, especially if you have expertise making wigs. If you don't and you want to go into that, there are several videos on YouTube that teach you how to make wigs. Now, the tools you will need if you are in the wig making business are things like your wig stand, that's the head and the stand. You're gonna need your pins, your wig cap, your sewing kit, your needle and thread. You're gonna need hairbrush, hair straightener, so that when you're done making your wig, you can make it pop. If you don't have expertise in this, again, I mentioned you need to learn them first so you don't go and ruin somebody's wig. If you're also going to go into the hair laundry business, it basically means people like me that after some time you need to wash your wigs, it needs to feel brand new. I do give my wigs to a hair salon that launders them for me. So basically what they do is that they take the wig, they wash it, they deep condition it, and then they put it in a hair dryer or sometimes in the sun, and then they dry it. And once it's dry, they then straighten it and then put all the shimmer and the oils and everything to make it look brand new. That's how you launder wigs. Now, the tools you will need for your wig laundering business are things such as shampoo and conditioner. You're gonna need water, of course. You're gonna need combs, brush. If you want to save money, you can buy a hand dryer until you have the funds to buy a hair dryer. That's the big head dryer. Or if you want to go the natural route, you can spread your wig in the sun and let it dry naturally. I know like all the tools I've mentioned sound very expensive, but honestly, if you're going through the cheap route or the money saving route, I'll tell you that buy your hair straightener, hair dryer, all the tools that you need from a thrift store or a fairly used store, so that you're getting them for a cheaper price. And then all you have to do is market on social media. When you're marketing this type of business on social media, you sort of have to show like your cleaning process and what it entails. I've seen some people that do before and after pictures. Those sell a lot because they show what the wig looks like when it comes in, whether the wig looks dusty or crusty or whatever. If you show the wig before and you reviving that wig after, it gives that bit of confidence to the viewer or the people that are trying to patronize your business that this person can actually do what they say they can do, and then they patronize you. Well guys, I hope this points and business and hustles I've mentioned were very solid. If you still want more business ideas that fall under the $100 category, let me know. I do have a couple more that I think will be very interesting to you. But yes, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and keep watching. Bye guys.